Today we're out here with our Federal Protective Service partners who are in charge of securing the Philadelphia Stadium and the surrounding area from drone threats.
The Science and Technology Directorate has really done a lot of work to help support the World Cup.
S&T works very closely with not only the DHS Components, but also with our interagency partners and the White House FIFA Task Force. We enable the DHS Components to fulfill their missions, provide them with the equipment, resources, expertise, training, all things when it comes to preparedness for the games, and then ongoing support throughout the event.
Here in Philadelphia, we're working with our interagency partners to really make sure that the Fan Fest sites, the stadium, and all other groups are secured for the games.
The drone threat across the world has really grown and proliferated over time, and we see it as one of the highest risk threats when it comes to securing the games that are being attended and enjoyed by fans from all over the world.
We're hoping to mitigate any bad actors, any careless or clueless people that are flying drones that are unaware of the potential risks that they're creating. This is the largest deployment of CUAS equipment on an operational scale in the history of the country. This is the largest sporting event in the history of the country with 78 games here in the U.S. across 11 different stadiums, 8 of which are led by DHS Components. The impact here is really incredible.